This slide becomes client ready in just 2 minutes. In today's video, I will show you how to create every style Iron Man or Captain America PowerPoint slide that looks cinematic, bold and professional using only simple shape and the mob transition. Let's start the video. First, go to Insert tab, click on Picture and insert two images from your device. Select the first picture, go to Align, choose Align Left and then Align Middle. Now, select the second picture, go to Align, choose Align Right and then Align Middle. Next, insert oval shape and place it in the center. Change the shape fill to black and remove the outline. Go to Shape Effect, click on Bevel and apply the bevel style to give it a strong metallic look. Now, insert a partial circle shape. Resize it to 40 cm by 40 cm. Align it to the center and middle of the slide. Go to Shape Fill, choose More Colors and select Blue. Remove the outline and send the shape to the back. Go to Rotate, open More Rotation option and set the rotation to 45 degrees. Duplicate the slide. Select the partial circle shape and change its color to red. Now, change the rotation value to -135 degrees. Finally, go to the Transition tab and apply the Mob transition. Now, return to the first slide and start the slideshow to see the animation in action. And just like that, you have created a powerful Iron Man as Captain America slide using basic shape, images, and the mob transition. This technique is perfect for movie theme presentation, comparisons, or dramatic client slides. If you enjoy this quick PowerPoint trick, hit the like button and the subscribe for more creative presentation tutorials. Comment below and tell me which character you want to see next.